Hi, Carmen Bunde with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Ambassador Real Estate. And April is commonly known as Do-It-Yourself Month, when people start really thinking about what they want to do around their homes. And I'm here with Steve Persigehl, owner of Window Innovations, because one of the big things that can make an impact in your home, both in the value, the energy efficiency, the look, is windows. And so we're here with Steve to learn a little bit more about what his company does to help people when they are looking at replacing their windows. So good morning, Steve.
Good morning.
Thanks for chatting with us today.
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about some of the questions that people come to you with when they're looking at replacing windows. What are some of the first things, I guess, that they notice when they know they need to replace windows?
Sometimes it's very obvious, fogged glass, very drafty maybe through their windows.
Okay.
They're seeing some rotting issues in the wood on their windows. So sometimes it's obvious, I need new windows.
Pretty clear.
Yes.
Awesome. So then when you're talking about do-it-yourself, those are some things to be looking for to replace windows. What's one of the biggest questions that people want to know when they're trying to figure out who should I go through when I'm looking at replacing my windows?
Well, a lot of people have a lot of different products, and some of them are very good. I find the biggest thing is the quality of the company you're dealing with can be just as important or more important than the windows themselves. I kind of equate it to the car buying process. People are scared of, oh, am I going to get ripped off on this? You know, are they going to make me buy the undercoating?
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Same kind of thing on the window side of things is, what's the sales process going to be like? Is somebody going to be in my house for 3 hours and not leave until I sign something? You know, we take a different tactic on it. We like it to be more of a process where this kind of sounds a little cheesy, but we feel like this is a safe place for people to come learn.
Okay.
You know, you can come in here, give us your first name.
Sure.
Learn about the process. We'll talk about products, differences in windows, what to expect, how long is it going to take, what's happening in my house.
So you like it when people come into your showroom first and
Absolutely.
ask questions and all of that, and don't just call and say, come on out, but learn more about what it is you do, how you do the work, and maybe some of the different products that you offer. I didn't even think about the fact that in addition to windows, of course, you also offer doors.
We do.
Both sliders and front doors. So starting here is a great way for people to get to know you, your company, the process, before they take that next step of investing in the windows, right?
Yeah, that's one option. It's different for everybody. We can, you know, if they're more comfortable having us come out to their house, they don't want to have to come in, we can do that. It's whatever they want to do. I just feel if they come in and learn here, that gives them more knowledge to go out and shop around.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, if we weren't confident that you're going to come back here, we wouldn't do business this way.
Right. So thank you for that. It's always nice when you can help people feel more comfortable about what it is they're going to be investing in. The other element is new construction. We have some plans here on the wall. You were telling me about this really great feature that you've been able to develop because there is a lot of new construction in Omaha. Obviously, they need windows. So tell us a little bit about this great setup that you've created here in your showroom for people to see for new construction.
Okay, and I will say it's not necessarily only new construction. We can use this in too.
Nice.
It's just about people being able to understand scale.
Okay.
So they come to, you know, any window showroom, there's going to be displays set up. Here's, you know, a display we have. It's a single window. You know, there's some single windows in homes, but there's a lot of double, triple, four-wide windows. And how do you look at this and understand, okay, my window's going to be this big?
Right.
How do you get that? So, and we just tried this with a homeowner last week, where if we take a look at this plan here, you're going to see, you know, I don't know, there's a couple single windows on here, but not
Sure.
many. But for instance, this window in particular, this is, you know, it's a large window, 4 wide, 2 high. This happens to look out onto a lake. So getting them to understand the scale of that is what we're trying to do here. So what we've developed is a way to show them a life-size version of that window. Right there.
Wow. Yeah. And that's the power shot, right? That's when you're coming into their home probably and people are able to see that lake immediately and to get that scale.
Right. This is how my window's going to look if I'm sitting on the couch in my house.
Wow. That's impressive.
And it was a really good process because the homeowner said, okay, I need to bring my girlfriend back here to see this, because she was wanting to separate all these windows and didn't understand the power of putting them all together and what the view would look like. So it's those kind of things we're going for.
Yeah, this is fantastic, Steve. I love all of the attention to detail. And I know that when people are looking for new windows, they're going to call you, Steve, at Window Innovations. Stop in the showroom anytime, right? Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, it's open?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Or
great showroom.
by appointment, if that doesn't work for her. We can come in and show up at night or weekend.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Thank you so much, Steve. And if you have any questions about buying or selling a home in general, call Carmen first.